Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Oset 24R lithium ion boost bikes battery. Massive thanks to Boost Bikes for providing us with this battery and as other batteries, and we'll get right into it. So in this kit you get everything that's provided for your bike, so you can just buy this kit and you get everything that you need, so you can just slap the battery on. So this is the battery charger with the connector, and then you've got your battery cable, and then you've got your connectors. So this is what goes onto your bike, which it would be a different connector for your previous battery, but you have to change it. So you get all the wires, you get the connector, get some little stickers, a little velcro, and you also get another one of these, another one of them, and then you have some of these which goes inside of here, inside of there or there, like that. One of them goes in there, and then you can connect that to your battery. And this is the battery here, nicely packed. So here it is, the battery. Get it, things off. This is the battery. Got nice Boost Bikes logo on it. As you can see here, if I spin it around a bit, so that would go into there, and that would just fit straight onto your bike. So yeah, this is the Oset 24R lithium ion battery kit, and yeah, this was, can't wait to try it.